Instruction manual from Supertech. You don't install this at the top, okay? You install at the bottom lowest position of the aspiration pump. That's why you look for a lowest possible position to actually hook your stainless steel cable. And you adjust your stainless steel cable such that you get an angle of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius by adjusting this stainless steel sling. So you need to take a reference point from the bottom of the tank to the top of the tank such that it will give you that 5 to 10 degrees angle of installation by adjusting the sling. You don't install on the same side as the float. You don't install on the same side as the float, you install on the other side of the float. And then you put the aspiration pump back into the tank once the Supertech is attached to your aspiration tank, and then you tighten up and then you screw everything back and then you replace the tank and then you do another test again. The important thing to note is that you don't install on the same side as your float, you install behind the float or in front of the float. And you make sure that you get your 5 to 10 degrees angle from the bottom of the tank.